Nice one. It's not as packed as last weekend. There's probably, I don't know how many people are here, but there's definitely at least 2 people in between me and that guy. Bite is slow. I've only seen me pull one in over here. Some guy just walked by, left with one. So I got here at 5. Maybe the morning bite is before that. Also, if you just watched the most recent Buck Fishes video of him flipping walleye from the bank, that's directly across from me. It's Canada. You can see all over there. Well, you can't see, but I can. It's all railing. And then right in front of me is not. And you can see the bridge. So that's cool. Directly across from me is a hot spot. Well, this is too. When it's hot, it's hot. But it's not hot right now. It was a couple weeks ago when we were having temperatures in the 70s. Seemed like everyone was limited out from the shore. And yeah, it's been very slow. I've been fishing different days, all times during the day. Been averaging 1 fish per trip. So even if I was averaging 0, it'd be better than sitting at home. Before we go, let's see how much this little homie measures. Alright, I would say 20 right on the dot. This, my friends, is my biggest walleye. Every fish I'm catching so far, they're slowly getting bigger for me, so that's good. And besides that, caught a few other things. I caught a woman's period pad and a rubber floor mat. So it's still early. This is about the time I came out last weekend and I didn't see anyone catch the thing. And I haven't seen anyone besides me catch that one since 6 o'clock. So I think the morning bite really is early morning. I think tomorrow I might try to get out here maybe an hour early, see what happens about 4 o'clock, and go from there. This weather is really funky being in Michigan, so I don't know if hopefully next week it warms up. I don't know if that'll turn the fish back on. Yeah, I guess we'll find out. See you next week when I'm back on the water trying to catch some walleye. Thanks for watching. Make sure if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up and you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more episodes of Michigander Outdoors on the Detroit River.